Hello, Barry Anderson from Trade Ideas with today's edition of What Makes This Trade Rate Great. I got a great one here. USEA had earnings today and it exploded. And why did we see it? Well, first of all, this was winning a race really early on in the day. I mean, this is when the market opened right at 9:30, and you can see the price was 523. Look what it got up to, guys. And you know what I can show you here is that in the racing, it has won the race 15 times today. Now, if you're unsure about what racing is, you can go to the guide and you can check out what racing is. But I'm telling you, I think racing is, if you're new to Trade Ideas, focus just on racing. You'll see all the fast-moving stocks, and when you see something that has won 15 races, in a day, you have to focus on that stock all day long. Sometimes it'll pull back, it give you a nice little pullback entry. That's what happened right here. It gave you a nice little pullback right there, and it exploded. So racing, guys, I love it. So I'll open the room Monday morning at 8 o'clock. Hope everybody has a great weekend. We'll see you then. Bye-bye.